Yeah, hi, welcome to John Banks here, Cheddars Lane in Cambridge. Again, we've got the Ioniq 6, it's the premium grade, it's finished there in cyber grey. You've got an amazing offer here on this vehicle, premium grade, which means you've got the privacy glass, you've got adaptive cruise control, you've got power tailgate, front and rear parking sensors. You've got the two-tone diamond cut alloy wheels, the flush door handles. It's a brand new car on the road. Discount by £6,000 is 41,970. Based on a 4-year PCP. Beg your pardon, 3-year PCP at 0% is £420 a month. With £5,000 deposit, £1,000 for the manufacturer deposit contribution. So for £420 a month on a 3-year PCP, you've got an electric vehicle doing a range of around about 330, 340 miles. So any questions, feel free, give me a call. It's here, it's on site. Darren Briggs, John Banks, 01223 272 786. Thanks for watching.